What are you doing?
Pouring hot water in my suit. Right out of the water here. Oh, that's like 125 degrees.
How'd you get it that hot?
Oh, I peed in it. Straight out of the water heater.
What was that song you were singing this summer?
What song?
You were just singing a song about summer?
Oh, summer, baby, come back. Summer, please come back. I'm sorry for all the shit I talked about you.
That's hilarious. 101 feet. You want me to take it back out?
Just let it sit here for a second.
Alright, we're sitting right in the squiggly line.